Less rain plus more people equals big, dry problem. Because here's the truth no one wants to hear. The lake's doing exactly what it was designed to do. It's providing drinking water. And 5 years into a brutal drought, it's still nearly half full. Meanwhile, Medina Lake, yeah, the one just down the road, is basically a memory with mud cracks. So how about this for a new rule? If your lawn is dying, maybe it's not time to fire up the sprinklers. Maybe it's time to let it go. The HOA will survive. Your grandkids might not.